Hi, I'm Alia. So in today's video we are going to learn how to sing the song Happy Birthday in Slovene. As you will see, it's not that complex because it's basically the same as it is in English, only with Slovenian lyrics. And yeah, you will see we have kind of two versions and we also have the extended version. What I mean with two versions is that it depends if you are singing to a guy or a girl. So you will see a few, or actually just two words change in the song. Alright, so let's just begin. It begins like this. Vse najboljše za te. Okay, what this means is happy birthday to you. Okay, vse najboljše translates to happy birthday. So why I say translates to? Because if you say vse, it means all, and najboljše means the best. So all the best means vse najboljše, but in Slovenian it means happy birthday. Okay, so vse najboljše za te, for you. Okay, za means for, and te is for you. Okay, so za te. Okay, so vse najboljše za te, we say it 2 times. Okay, just like in English, happy birthday to you, right? Okay, so let's go through these first 2 lines together. Vse najboljše za te, vse najboljše za te. Okay, so this is it. And now this is where we have this, depending on if you are singing to a boy or a girl. So how it goes is vse najboljše, so again happy birthday, vse najboljše, draga if you are singing to a girl, or dragi if you are singing to a boy. Okay, so draga Maja, okay, or draga Katja, okay, and so on. So happy birthday there, and draga, and then a female's name, right? And if you're singing to a boy, you would just say dragi. Okay, so I can say dragi Andrej, or dragi Miha, dragi Jure. So just insert a name, literally just insert a name. Okay, so one more time. Vse najboljše. First I will go with the feminine version when you are singing to a girl. So vse najboljše, draga Maja. Okay, or vse najboljše, dragi Andrej. Okay, and then again it just repeats vse najboljše za te. So this is what we've been singing from the beginning, right? Alright, now let's put it all together, so the main part of the song, and first we will do the female version. Okay, so let's begin. Vse najboljše za te, vse najboljše za te, vse najboljše, draga Maja, vse najboljše za te. Okay, so that's it, and now let's also do it for a version if you are singing to a boy. Okay, so let's begin. Vse najboljše za te, vse najboljše za te, vse najboljše, dragi Andrej, vse najboljše za te. Alright, so this is how it would go if you are singing to a boy. Just remember, switch the name. Alright, and then there is a second part of the song, so some people sing it, some people don't. Just depends, I guess, how you're excited and how excited you are to eat the cake, right? So then you don't really feel like singing the second part, because just the cake. So how it goes is Torta, svečke ima. Okay, so it means the cake has candles. So torta is a cake, svečke are the candles on the cake, obviously, and ima means it has. So what it means is the cake has candles. And then vsaka tisoč želja. So what this means is each of them, tisoč, 1,000, želja, wishes. So vsaka tisoč želja, each of them 1,000 wishes. Naj se vse ti izpolni. So let everything come true that you wish. And then draga slavljenka if you are singing to a girl, or dragi slavljenec if you are singing to a boy. Okay, so again, draga, just like before, draga Maja, right, or dragi Jure, and so on. So draga slavljenka, dragi slavljenec. So slavljenka or slavljenec is a person who is celebrating. Okay, so now let's go through the whole song together, and I will only do it for the female version. Okay, so yeah, I think you get it, right? So if you are singing to a boy, you would just say dragi and slavljenec at the end, right? So I will just choose the name that's very sweet. I think Alica is the sweetest name, so we will go with Alica, alright? But remember, just switch the name to the one that you need. Alright, let's begin. Vse najboljše za te, vse najboljše za te, vse najboljše, draga Alica, vse najboljše za te. Torta svečke ima, vsaka 1000 želja, naj se vse ti izpolni, draga slavljenka. Alright, so this is it for this video. I hope that you liked it and that it will come in handy. And if you by any chance sing this to someone, please let me know. I would get really excited to hear that. And I guess I will see you in my next video. Ciao ciao!